Hello, I hope you are doing well. The United States is always in need of teachers, and special education teachers are one of the most sought after educators in the US. In the 2023-2024 school year, special education vacancies accounted for the most sought after vacancies in the District of Columbia. My name is David Resfos and I'm from Ghana. I've been teaching for the past 14 years in Ghana, Vietnam, and currently I'm in Jakarta, Indonesia. I hold a US teacher license, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get a special education teaching credential in Washington, D.C. Let me grab a seat and let's have a chat. Step 1, you need to complete an approved teacher preparation program. And this is where Moreland University comes in. If you do not know about Moreland University, it is an online university based in the US that runs many Master of Education programs and their flagship postgraduate teacher preparation program. That is the Teach Now Teacher Certification Program. This program runs for 9 months. It means that when you start it now, you complete that before Christmas 2026. So the first step is to complete Moreland University's Teach Now Teacher Certification Program. If you are ready to get started with the application, click the link in the video description. It takes less than 8 minutes to complete the application. So that is the first step. Step 2, you need to complete some exams. I'll be heading behind my computer to teach you the kind of exams you can complete in order to be certified as a special education teacher in Washington, D.C. So I'll get behind my laptop and then show you all the exams and the passing scores. But you need to understand that one of the requirements to apply for teaching credential from the District of Columbia or Washington, D.C. is that you need to have completed a bachelor's degree, and in fact it is also one of the requirements to apply for Moreland University's Teach Now Teacher Certification Program. And if your GPA is at least 3.0 out of 4, you'll be exempted from writing the core reading, writing and mathematics exam. If not, you write these exams and then write the additional exams that I'll be showing you on the screen right away. These are the approved subject areas that anyone can be credentialed in when you go through Moreland University's Teach Now Teacher Certification Program. For special education, you can only be certified in special education non-categorical category. So for the exams you need to take for special education non-categorical pre-K to 12, you take 2 exams. That is the content knowledge exam and the PLT exam. For the content knowledge exam, you can write one of these 2, that is core knowledge and applications, and the code is 5354. The passing score is 151 out of 200. Or the new exam, which is special education foundational knowledge exam, and the code is 5355. The passing score is 145 out of 200. So this is the content knowledge exam you can write in order to be certified in special education non-categorical pre-K to 12 in the District of Columbia. For the PLT exams, or for the pedagogical exams, you can write any of the following PLTs, that is Principles of Learning and Teaching exams, with the codes 5622, 5623, 5624, and then 5625. The passing scores for these PLTs, you can find them here. So when we scroll up, for 5622, the passing score or the required score is 160 out of 200. 5623, it's 160 out of 200. 5624, 157 out of 200. And then 5625, the passing score is 157 out of 200. So these are the exams you need to write. In order to be special education certified in Washington, D.C. Step 3, you need to complete an FBI background check. I have done videos to cover all these processes on this YouTube channel. If you want to go through the processes, just click the appropriate video on my channel, or if you want personalized guidance, you can send me a message or an email, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through the processes of getting your FBI background check. So that is the third step. The final step is to gather all these documents, your bachelor's degree certificate, your transcripts. If you did not school in the US, you would have to do that's a plane, so never mind. If you did not school in the US, you would have to do a transcript evaluation. And again, I've done videos to cover all these processes, and you apply through the OSSE website. So these are the simple steps you need to follow in order to get special education certified from Washington, DC. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, I would appreciate a like, a subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Until my next video, you take care. Bye-bye.